Looks like I've got a privacy handle here that needs to be installed. Okay, and so let's get you set up here. I've already installed the little drive-in latch. Showed you how to do that on another video. Check that out if you haven't watched that. See, it's even got a round faceplate. I had to put that on. Had to take off the one that came with it, and then they gave me that one too. Okay, so now here's my handle. I know my screws are facing on the inside. This paddle is set up for this same swing door. Okay, so I'm going to take this apart and simply slide this in to the hole and pop that in right there, line it up. Now I'm holding it with my hands. You can see that, yeah. Got my little screws, and you want to make sure that those are not cross-threaded. You'll know if you start them and then you find out that it's being too hard to screw in, let's say. Okay, let's get you resituated over like that. Okay, so I've got that held, my foot on the door, and I'm just gonna twist this on here. There's no rocket science here, you know. Now I'm not gonna make that tight yet. I'm gonna reach down here and get this one. Once I have this one almost tight, you know, that's going to hold the back side, the front side, and now I can use both hands on this one if I want. And I don't use the battery operated drill for that. I just do it by hand. And now I have it loose. And I want to hold this up, and it looks like the paint, you know, they painted around the other ones. And first off, I don't want them pushed down all the way because then it could bind on a lock. And secondly, that's pushing the latch kind of down at an angle. This on the latch, see how much give this is? I want about in the center of it and maybe just up just a hair. Okay, like that. And I'm pushing away from the latch so it's snug as a bug in a rug. And now I can tighten it up. I'm gonna make that snug. And now I'm going to go down here and get this one. And now I'm going to make this one tighter than snug. Okay, crank on it a little bit. And now go up here and crank on that. See there? Okay. Push on the button. Check it on the back side. It's locked, fine. There you go. Now, I know you can do that. Okay. Get yourself a few tools. See how nice that looks? Here's the paddle going nicely pre-finished. That's the aged bronze. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and work on this strike plate. Maui, baby. Wish you were here, but because you're not, I'm bringing it to you with these videos. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.